Hi guys! So, this is Madness Makeup aka Caitlin. So today in my video I'm reviewing it's new to me, the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. And I will get right into that then. Alright, so I'm excited about this one. I do know that Huda is problematic, but I wanted this palette because I like pastels and I think it's really beautiful. And so this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And it's really pretty. And then I did order this from Sephora and the clasp came broken, but it's okay. I'm still able to use it. And none of the shadows got damaged at all. They all look pretty good. So yeah, I might not be putting my contacts in today because I do kind of want to use like Supermoon or Gold Glitch maybe, or Nebula. So yeah, we'll see about that. I don't really know what I want to do, but I'm really excited to use this. So I'm gonna do my base makeup. Oh, and I'm also planning on using this. I was gonna do a video with this, but I decided in my palette roulette series that my friend Donna also does, by the way, which I always give her credit and the person that like created it originally credit. Anyways, yeah, I decided to take James and Jeffrey's palettes out, and I'm still gonna use them because I spent money on them, but I just don't want to be promoting them in my videos. And yeah, Huda is also kind of problematic, but I mean, James is just not it, and Jeffrey, I've talked about him before in one of my other videos, yeah, so this might be more so of a talking video because I have a lot on my mind, and well, if you know, you know. So yeah, let me go put my base on, and I will be right back with you guys to do the eyes then. Hello friends, I am up close to you guys, so I am back. So for my primer today, I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. I don't know, I do think I was looking a little bit oily, so that's what it looks like. And I use the Kismet Buff Sugar Lip Scrub in the flavor Bright and Bubbly. And it looks like that. I use the Illamasqua Skin Base Foundation in the shade SB 4.5. And then actually, I think my e.l.f. concealer is way too light for me, so I'm actually gonna see if I can get a darker shade. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. But I use the Yenza Skin on Skin BC concealer, so hopefully that's a better match for me. And for contour, I use the Item Beauty Cheek Money in the shade Vibes. I use the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Wow, these did come in my Ipsy bag. And I also use the Ciate London Date Night Blush, and it's like a baked blush, but mine is broken, so I don't want to show you guys it. And yeah, I prime my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and I use the NYX brow pomade like always. So I'm going to go for it. I did want to do a pink look, but I realized there aren't very many pinks in here. So I think I might do like a purple look. I don't know, I gotta decide. Honestly, I kind of want to do Haze and Supermoon, but I kind of did a similar look to that with like, I don't know what palette I used, and then I took like a single shadow. It was so pretty. But yeah. I just can't get over this Mercury color. It kind of reminds me of a duochrome because it looks bluish green and then it like reflects to like a purple, maybe indigo color. Huh. Let's see. So I am taking my round crease brush from the BH Cosmetics. It looks like that. And I'm dipping into the shade... we'll dip into the shade Off Balance. Right there, it's like a mauve shade, so dip in my brush into that. And let's see if I can do this. Alright. Oh, that shade's a little more pinker than I thought. I did say I wanted to do a pink look. Okay. Very pretty and very pigmented. I am kind of using the palette mirror. Kind of looking back and forth between, so yeah, I'm gonna even that out. I'm gonna drag it down. It looks really pretty so far. Alrighty. And then I think what I'm going to do is, so I'm gonna take the shade Hot Mess right there. It's that kind of winey purple. Taking that on the same round crease brush. And I'm gonna deepen up the pink with it. Ooh, really pretty. Okay. So then, what I think I will do is actually grab my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and I will do a cut crease with that. So, you don't need a lot with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer because it is really full coverage and less is more. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm gonna try to drag it down if I can. Alright. That is what we like to see. So I'm gonna take the Boat Gachis brush. It's a nice big shader brush. And I'm dipping into the shade Momentum right here. And we're just gonna set my concealer with that color. So then you guys can see how this brush works from my Ipsy bag. So I am just doing that. Oh yeah, let me take a blending brush and blend everything in also. So let's blend these two colors up here. And then I'm gonna blend in this color. Alright, perfect. We like blended things, you guys. Alright, so that was the Boat Gachis brush, and it worked pretty dang well. I'm not going to lie. So I'm gonna take that shade Supermoon right here, and I'm dipping into that with my finger. It is a little chunky. It looks like that. Beautiful. This is like a really romantic looking look. Alright, kind of like Valentine's Day vibes. I kind of like it. So, debating if I want to use Vortex to deepen up my outer V or not. Honestly, I don't want to ruin this look. It's so pretty. Screw it, we'll do it. Okay. Yeah, we're going for like a kind of glam look, but still soft glam. So, well, this would be soft glam. Huh, do I want to do this? Honestly, I don't think I do. Actually, I might just leave it like this because I think it looks really pretty. What I am gonna maybe do is take a mix of the two colors I used on my crease, because they're mixed anyways, and drag it out and down a little more. Perfect. I'm gonna take a brush and blend that. Perfect, I think that looks really good. Yeah, I will put some mascara and eyeliner on and do my other eye off camera. And I'll be back with you guys to test out the Cara Beauty lipstick. So yeah. Hey guys, so I actually put the lipstick on, well, I had to fix my eyeliner. I think I put it away. Oh no, it's not. It's over there. Alright, so I use the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I also use the Douce Ultra Precision Eyeliner. And then I use the Benefit They're Real Magnet Mascara, which my friend Donna raves about all the time. And I use the Cara Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Fantasy. And I think it brings this look together, and I think this look is really pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like this palette. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it. It is the pastel dream. Yeah, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye.